Well, there's a number of reasons transoms fail. It always comes from water. And where does the water come in? It can come in the engine bolts. It can come in the drains, the two brass drains that come through the engine well. That's a big part. And here's one I don't see often. This failed because this is aluminum. And this was up in here, and it got wet and corroded, very corroded, and it expanded the transom up here. It split everything apart. The wood, the plywood in this transom wasn't really that bad, but this was really the Achilles heel of this one. A lot of other times I'll see the bottom engine bolts, that's where they would be here. When they don't get bedded well, they get wet. And then you can notice if your transom is pushing in, if you get an indent at the bottom bolts, that's what's happened to yours. Another thing to look for, in this engine well, where the transom meets the engine well, if your transom's getting weak, it's going to pull apart like this, and you'll get a crack running right across here. Now that's a dangerous crack, because what happens is once it parts the laminate, it starts to leak. Water comes in through these two weep holes and just pours down into the boat. At that point, wears your battery down, and down you go. I've only seen one transom really where the engine fell off the boat. Most of them just sink when they get really bad. That's what happens to them. So this one, we've got the core out. It was a difficult core to get out because the wood was actually in fairly decent shape. So it took a little bit of this skin out here and there. So what we did is we did a repair and we reskinned it, so now it's nice and solid. And then we're gonna take multi-ply marine Meranti, 2 3/4 and a 1/2 inch for this one. And in our next video, what we'll do is we'll show you how we fit that in and make the original transom skin fit right back where it was.